The following is an example of the removal and installation of a new three-phase general-purpose dry-type transformer. This old transformer was past its prime and had developed a loud buzzing noise and needed replacing. First, the electrician turns off the power and locks out the breaker feeding the transformer. The front panel of the existing transformer is removed and all wires are disconnected. First, the primary side is disconnected, then the secondary, and all ground wires. The transformer is then unbolted from floor anchors and removed. The new transformer is then removed from its packaging and shipping pallet. All nameplate data is reviewed to ensure compatibility, paying special attention to ventilation clearances. The transformer is then moved into place. The electricians check the distance from the wall on both sides to ensure that minimum clearances are met. Next, the transformer is anchored to the floor. In this example, we had to remove the old anchors entirely before installing the replacement. If the bolt holes in the transformer base are accessible from above, like with this new Maddox transformer, you can simply drill and sink anchors in place. The front panel from the new Maddox transformer is then removed. If you're adjusting the voltage taps, consult the diagram on the nameplate. The varnish is removed from the top and bottom of the tap terminal with a razor knife or wire brush prior to changing the tap leads for a solid electrical connection, and the tap lead is moved to the appropriate setting on each coil. The internal isolation pads can be loosened slightly to help dampen vibration and keep the noise down. Conduit holes are then punched into the sides of the case using either the factory-provided knockouts or put in manually using a hole punch. The cables are then fed into the transformer case, and the flex conduit is attached to sides. All wires are connected via mechanical lugs, with NOA locks applied where the connection is made. In this example, the neutral is bonded within the transformer case, so a ground lug is added and connected to the neutral. The paint on the bottom of the case is removed before lug is added for a solid connection. A hole is made in the bottom vent to make room for the grounding electrode wires, which are connected to the neutral bus. All other equipment grounds are landed. The primary wires are connected to the primary lugs, and the secondary wires are connected to the secondary lugs. The front panel is then reinstalled. The lockout is removed from the breaker, and the transformer is energized.